In the morning?
Yeah. With that, we have completed this. Is it right?
Yeah.
Yes, we have completed this. Okay. Now coming back to the
Okay.
this is the summary. Okay. What is the see? This is the summary of interest payable receivable loan rules. Okay. What we have done? We have taken the interest receivables in the exam. Assume non-trade purpose only. Taxed as interest income. Interest payable is what? Trading loans, non-trading loans. Trading, non-trade loans, add back to the tax. We have done this. Is that deduct from the, we have to deduct from the interest income. Is that we have done this? Is it right? We have taken the this one we have taken, and we have separately non-trading interest receivables minus non-trading interest non-trading, we have showed it separately. Is that we have showed it non-trading separately, trading separately. Okay. Is that are you clear about this? We have taken this as a interest income, non-trading interest receivables, non-trading interest payables. Okay. We have taken it separately. We have shown it separately. Fine. Now what happens is in terms of property income. Okay. Property income. Can I start now, please?
Yes, sir.
Same process, okay, what we have done in the property, plus or minus, little difference will be there. A whole property for investment purpose, a trading company. Here it is not a sole trader. It is a trading, whole property for investment purpose of premises for which it is rented out. Is it for which it is rented as they are surplus to the company current trading requirements. How you have to treat how the treatment is done to the companies. The income from these properties is assessed as property business income. Is it? Basically, in the same way as we are calculating for the sole trader, it will be there. There will be allowable expenses. Those associated normal running and upkeep of the property will be deducted. However, there are few differences in the way companies assess the property. Income is always assessed on what? Accrual basis. Is it on accrual basis? The company is assessed on the property income arising from the accounting period, not the tax year. Okay, in which it has been happened. Tax year, is it? If it is happening accounting period, in which we are preparing the accounts. The treatment of interest payable, the treatment of property losses. This is some differences, few differences. Okay, few differences with respect to the sole trader. Interest on a loan to buy property, interest payable on a loan to acquire or improve investment properties not allowed. Is it? Is not allowed for property. Instead, it is taxed under loan relationship rules. Is it? Property losses on all properties are pooled together to obtain overall property loss. Okay. We'll put all the losses in one. A property loss is what? First set off against total profits, qualifying. Is it qualifying before qualifying charitable donations of the same accounting period? Okay, first we will set off loss before any donations. Okay, then carry forward to against total profits. Also available for group relief. If it is for a group relief, we will do that. Okay. The loss, listen carefully, revise it, whatever the rules we are going, the next chapters, we should not forget the rules what we have done in the current case, in the previous chapters. The loss offset against total profits of the same accounting period is automatic. No claim is required, and the loss must be offset in full if possible. Is that what we have done in those cases? Partial loss is not possible. Means something you covered this year, something you are going to claim next year. No. If you are doing full, take it full. Otherwise, carry forward. Loss not offset in the same accounting period can be carried forward. Is it right? Or surrendered to other. We can do other companies within the same group. In both the cases, a claim is required and the amount of the loss can be specified. A claim to carry property loss forward and offset against total profits of the future period must be made within how many years? 2 years at the end of the accounting period with the losses relieved. A property loss cannot be carried back to previous, means you can carry forward but you cannot carry. Lease premiums. We have done lease premium if you remember, where a company receives premium for a grant of lease. An element of premium is taxed as property income in the same way as we have done with respect to sole traders. Isn't it? Now, what they have mentioned, they have mentioned it is a speed limited prepaid accounts for the year ended. During the year, company received premium. How much they received premium? 12,000. Okay. They received how much? 12,000. What is the formula? Premium into 2%, n minus 1. Okay. Premium into 2%, n minus 1. 2% into n minus 1 times premium. The same formula we have done. Okay. Is it? You will get the premium. Less premium, then you will take the what is the amount which is going to be taxed. Yes, the 7-year lease. That is the reason n is how much? 7. 7 minus 1. The building was rented for 6,000 per annum. It lay empty. It lay empty until this date. Rent it received quarterly in advance. Okay, how much is the 6,000 per month, per annum? Okay, it lays empty until this date. What is the date? The date is how much? 1st September. The building was rented out from where? 1st September. From September to March. Okay, September to March. September, October, November, December, for January, February, March. How many months? 7 months. Okay, we have taken, see, rent receivable is 7 months. After premium, deduction of premium, 10,000. Total property income will be how much? 14,060. Is it right? Are you clear about this? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Next. Okay. Here we are talking about the property income. Okay. Calculate. Gasman has a UK resident trading company. The company let out 2 warehouses. Is there? 2 warehouses. How much is there? The company results regarding property income for the year ended is as well. The first warehouse was empty from 1st April to 31st. Okay, 23. On 1st September, the company rented a 7-year lease, received a premium of 47. And annual rent is how much? Annual rent is, now how many months are they? See, they have rented on 1st September. Okay, if it is from September to March. Okay, September to March. How many months? 7 months. Okay, is it Tasman? Write everything in. Now you just think that you are writing exam. Okay, you don't write anything in shortcut. Okay, it takes time for me, but I am writing in full. Is that year ended? Okay, year ended 31st March 2024. Okay, now how much we have to take? Rent receivables. Okay, rent receivables. Is it the first rent? Is that first warehouse? How much is the first warehouse? Okay, first warehouse. How much is the rent? 10,500. For how many months? 7 months. It comes to how much? It comes to how much? 6125. Is it right? Next. Is it second warehouse? Okay, now fine. Now how much is there? The warehouse was empty, 7-year lease. Okay, they have given it on a 7-year lease. How much is the lease premium? 47,000. We'll do that. Okay, we'll deduct the lease premium. Second warehouse was let until 31st January at an annual rent of 11,000. On the date the tenant left owing 3 months rent, which the company is not able to recover. The roof of warehouse has been repaired. 7,200. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, fine. Second warehouse. How much is the second warehouse? Second warehouse is 11,200. Okay, 11,200. Now, first you have to show the rent. How much is there? It has been shown till 31st January. Okay, means April to January. How much? April to January, 8 plus 1. How many? 9 months. Okay, 8 plus, April 3, April, January, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January. 10 months. Okay, 10 by 12. 10 by 12. How much it will come? 11,200 times 10 divided by 12. It comes to 9333. Okay, this is what? Okay, this is the total income. Now, from here, what you have to do? You have to take premium. Okay, only for the first warehouse. Okay, only for the first warehouse. Okay, premium. Only first warehouse. It is not 7. Second one is not on lease. First one is on lease. Second is on rent. Okay, first warehouse. First warehouse. Only on warehouse which is given on lease, you will get premium. Okay, you will get premium. How much is that? 2% times 7 minus 1. Okay, what is the premium amount? 47,000. Okay, first warehouse. Premium is how much? Premium is 47,000. Okay, premium is 47,000 less minus. Okay, how much you will get? How much you will get? 47,000 times 6 times 0.02. Is that 5640? Okay, how much you will get? 5640. Okay, 5640. How much we have to take? 41,360. Total comes to how much? Are you understanding what we are doing?
Yes, sir.
41,360. 56,818. Okay, less allowable expenses. Is it in the second warehouse? Okay, second warehouse. Second warehouse, he has not given rent. Okay, irrecoverable debts. Is it irrecoverable debts? How much is the? What is the rent? 11,200. For how many months he has not given? 3 months. 3 by 12. Is it 11,200? 11,200 times 3 divided by 12. How much is there? 2,800. Irrecoverable debts. Okay.
800.
They have done roof repairs.
Yeah.
Is it? They have done roof repairs also. How much they have done roof repairs? 7,200. How much you will get? Tell me.
Okay. $46,818.
Are you clear about this?
Yeah.
See, this is the most easiest one. The moment you go for the, there is no point of revision. Automatically you do revision. Okay, automatically you will do revision. Okay, this is, are you clear about this?
Yeah.
Now, qualified charitable donations are very sensitive. Okay, all donations to charity by companies are allowable. If a small local donation as a trading expense, yes, if a small local donation, it is expense. All other donations, whether gift or aid or not, as an allowable deduction from profit. All charitable donations made companies are paid gross, okay, are paid gross amount. Fine. Now, the amount paid in the accounting period is deducted from the total profit. If CQCD paid exceed the total profit, if sometimes donations will be more, profits will be less, no relief is given. Is it? No relief. Though you cannot say that I am having profits of 100 and I will give donations of 150. Okay? In that case, no. It cannot be carried forward or carried back unless the company is part of 75% group. In which case, group relief may be available. If it is 75% of the group, will cover in the chapter 15. Okay? Which cover in the chapter 15 as such. Okay? Next. The tax treatment of charitable for individuals is different from little bit different from the individuals. Okay, what is the see every time they are mentioning this. What is the difference between individuals and what is the difference for the companies? For individuals, a small donation is deductible as trading expense, or if made under the gift scheme, chapter 2, gift aid payments are paid net of basic rate. Means if you are paying, then it will take the net of basic. Tax is given by extending the basic or higher rate bands. Is that what we will do? We will add, okay? Tax relief is by extending, by adding the rate bands by a gross amount of the gift. Is that whatever the amount will be paid, that will have the advantage for us. Is that will have the advantage for us. Fine? Now, okay? Now what they are saying, what they are asking us, this is the comprehensive example. This is the way you will get something in the examination like this. Okay? Fine? Now. Fine? Now what they are asking us, firstly think, what they are very comprehensive example, okay? Calculate Germino's limited tax adjusted trading profit for the year ended 31st March. Where we have to start? We have to start with 652 580. Is it? We have to start with, they will give you and should list all items. Even if there is nothing is there, you have to mention 0. Calculate the corporation tax payable for the year ended 31st March. Is it? For the year ended 31st March. Okay. Now, when you are doing this, okay, 652 580. Okay, 652 580. Fine. Now, we have done this. Okay. What is the zero Nemo? Is it? Zero Nemo Limited. Is it? Add a tax adjusted trading profit. Is that year ended 31st March 2024. Okay, 31st March 2024. Fine. Now we have to start. They said you have to start with where you have to profit before tax. Profit before tax. We have to start with amount 652 580. 6. Is it right? Put the number. Okay. Put the currency symbol. Okay. Don't forget about putting the currency symbol. Okay. 652 580. 2 will be there. Okay. Next. Operating expenses. Unpaid debts. How much is there? 22,360. They gave some note 1. Okay. See note 1. Is that note 1? What is the note 1? Total debts return of 19. Loan to customers return of 600. Okay. Loan to customers. And increase in allowance for trade unions is how much? Increase in allowance for trade unions 1,870. 22,360. What we have to do? What we have to do? What we have to do? Note. Note 1. Where is that? Yes. What we have to do? Loan, see what they say, see the point, okay? Loan to customers. Is it a loan to customers? Is it loan to customers? Okay, loan to customers. Is it a non-trade purpose? Non-trade purpose. Okay, non-trade, not allowed. Okay, now is not a trading. Okay, non-trade purpose. Write off trade debts written off. Is it right? Trade write off the loan is it trade debts written off? Trade debts written off. Can we take off this?
Yeah.
Trade debts, where are you? Trade debts written off. Can we take this?
I'm here, sir. You can hear me?
Yeah. Trade debts written off. Can we take or we should not take?
We don't take.
Why? Why?
Because it's for the customer, not for the business.
See, loan.
Or I don't know.
No, loan to customer. Is it? It is a not trade purpose. Is it? It is a non-trade. It is disallowed. Okay, it is disallowed. See, you have to be very focused. You cannot say no. You have to be very focused. Reason we have to say loan to customers. Okay, loan to customers. It is not trade, not for non-trade purpose. If it is for non-trade purpose, is that you have to add back. Okay, loan to customers.
So I added?
Yes. Is it non-trade purpose? Is it? It is a non-trading expense. Okay, you cannot say that you cannot take it anything non-trading. You have to add back. How much is there? 600. Is it? How much is there? 600. Trade debts. Is it? It is allowed. Okay, trade debt is allowed. Increase in allowance. Okay, increase in allowance. Trade. Okay, trade debtors. It is allowed. It is not allowed. If it is not allowed, you have to add it back. Is it right? But you have to mention. Is it right? You have to mention trade debts. Okay, you have to mention trade debts written off. Trade debts written off. How much? 0. You have for 0 it is marked. Okay, increase in allowance for trade debtors. It is allowable. Okay, it is allowable. Fine. Now, depreciation you have to add back. Okay, depreciation it is not allowed. Okay, 22, 360. Okay, you put tick marks. Is it right? You put tick marks. Gifts and donations. Okay, gifts and donation. What is the point number 2? They say point number 2, donation to national charity. Okay, local charities are allowed. It is national charity not allowed. Okay, local charity allowed. Okay, local charity allowed. Gift to customers, food hampers. Is that gift to customer food hampers not allowed? Is that gift to customers food hampers not allowed? Okay, food drinks are not allowed. Okay, food drinks are not allowed. Okay, what you have to write is that donation to each and everything you have to write. Okay, each and donation to national charity. Donation to national charity. Are you writing?
Yeah.
Okay, donation to national. Send me the picture of that 1,800. Okay, donation to national charity. What is the second one? Donation to local charity. Okay, donation to local charity.
We don't add this on, no?
Yeah, donation to local charity. Allowed. Allowed means zero. Okay, allowed means zero. Fine. Gift to customer. Food hampers. Is that what is there? Gift to customers. Is it food hampers? Is it gift to customer food hamper? Disallowed. Okay, how much is there they have given? They have given 1,000. Okay, next. If it is trade related, you can take. If it is not trade related, you cannot take. Okay, gifts are open. Professional fees. Okay, professional fees. What is the professional fees? Is there? Note number 3. Accounting and audit fees allowed. Legal fees allowed. Legal fees is connection with the issue of loan notes. Okay, again this is see note 9. They say interest is there something with respect to interest. Raising through loan notes, the loan number 9. The loan was used for trading purpose. Interest of 30,000 was paid. 15,000 was accrued. Is it that? It is for trading purpose. Is that the loan used for trading purpose? Is it that the loan used for everything you will get marks. Getting my point? Every point they will give marks. This is the secret of taxation. That is the reason people will pass taxation, because if you put the correct one, you will get it. Okay, accounting,
Okay.
accountancy, and audit fees. Is it audit fees? Allowed. If it is allowed, 0. Okay. Next, legal fees for renewal. What is the legal fees for renewal? Okay, legal fees. Business expenses, right? Fees for renewal. Allowed.
Sir, are you writing?
Yes, it is not there with you.
Oh, I think it's stuck.
Check.
The screen is not moving.
1 minute.
It's next to note 2 and 3. Gift and donation. Oh, it's switch off now.
1 minute.